welcome to day 26 of my 30-day Pilates and Yoga Wellness Journey Flourish. My name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is a lovely back strengthening program to improve your posture, strengthen your spine, improve the flexibility and mobility to help your overall spinal health. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, let's start on your hands and knees, all fours position. Hands level to your shoulders, knees level to your hips. Fingers spread apart to support my upper back. Knees apart as well. And we're slowly starting with cat and camel to engage your upper back, low back, and core muscles. As you inhale, you're going to gently round your shoulders and gently pelvic curl in, pulling my stomach in, navel towards your spine, chin tuck. I'm looking down towards my navel. Then gently exhale, lowering my low back as I slowly lift my neck up to eye gaze to the ceiling. My chest is getting lower towards my arms as well as I breathe out through my mouth. Gently inhale again, round your shoulders. As I look down again, chin tuck, pelvic curl. So I'm pulling my stomach in and lifting my hips towards forward and slowly holding it in and lowering it down my pelvic and my low back going to the mat as I slowly look up and breathe out to a cow position. Inhale, round your shoulders, looking down, pelvic curl. So I'm scooping my pelvis in, navel to the spine, hunching my upper back to warm up my scapular muscles. Exhale, looking up. This is a great way to perform flexion and extension of your spine safely. And you feel some pressure on your low back as long as it's not increasing pain. Inhale, round my shoulders, looking down to an angry cat again. Navel to the spine, pelvic curl. As I exhale, I'm lowering my chest down, vertebrae by vertebrae, slowly lifting my neck up, head up, eye gaze towards the ceiling, arching my low back as I breathe out. We have 2 more to go to round your shoulders to an angry cat. Exhale to a camel or cow. Last one, my friends. Inhale, round your shoulders. Exhale, slowly look up. Now gently lower your hips down to the mat. Press down, support your spine with your arms and elbows slowly lengthening. Proper positioning is important. So you want to make sure your pubic bone and your pelvis, hips area are in a triangle position, all the way pressed down to the mat. And with your arms in front of you, elbows leveled, to your shoulders bent, we want to engage your upper back muscles. So I'm gently lowering my chest down to the mat as I inhale and exhale, slowly pressing the mat with my arms, keeping my toes planted to the mat, and slowly look up, navel towards your spine, squeeze it to engage your breath work as well as you breathe out. Inhale, slowly lowering your chest down to the mat. Engage all those muscles, gently press up, lift, making sure you're using your upper back muscles, not your arms pressing up. Inhale, slowly go down to the mat. Exhale, slowly press up. Inhale, slowly lower down. 2 more to go, press up. Exhale, slowly low down. Last one, inhale and exhale up. Squeezing your upper back all the way to your neck. I'm looking up gently with my eye gaze to the ceiling. And then as I lower my chest down, I'm looking down to the mat. We are gently placing our hands to the side, out of the mat, to perform a little bit of your upper back and shoulder muscles. As you slowly lift your arms up, elbows up off the mat as you inhale. I'm also engaging my upper back muscles, and then slowly lower my hands and elbows down to the mat and my chest as well. Inhale, get those breath work ready as you exhale up. And then slowly inhale, lowering yourself down to the mat. Lift your elbows up. So this is like a W position. You can open your fingers out to engage your wrists and finger muscles to be leveled with your elbows and shoulders. As you inhale down, exhale up. Slow and steady. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Slow and steady with your arms and hands going down to the mat. Last one, my friends. Exhale up. Inhale down. Gently reach forward. So my elbows are extended, reaching up. And slowly, I'm going to pull back with my elbows towards my waist as I slowly look up. Inhale, lower your chest down as you place your hands forward, elbow extended. Exhale, pull back, elbows back, squeezing your core in, engaging those core muscles and abdominal muscles as well. Exhale, reach forward, elbows extended. Lower your head down to rest your upper back. Exhale, pull back. Squeeze. Inhale, reach. 2 more to go. Exhale, pull back. Inhale, reach. Last one, pull back. Exhale, reach. Place your hands in front of you near your chest area to help yourself go up to a child pose to release tension off your back. Knees apart, feet together. As you slowly lower your hips down towards your heels and gently extend your arms forward and rest your chest down to the mat to release any tension and stiffness away from pulling back too much today. It's nice to release the tension back and forth so you're not overdoing any pinching pain on your back. You want to open it up a little bit before we continue. And we hold this in 3 deep breaths. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, we're going to slowly place your chest and your hips down to the mat again. Extend your arms. The next exercise we'll be doing swimming. So this is like a breaststroke swimming. So you're going to slowly bend your knees, toes pointing to the ceiling, as you gently bend your elbows, pulling back. Inhale and exhale. Fingers flared open as you reach forward, round to the side, and then lower your feet down as you extend your arms forward. Exhale, pull back, your elbows squeeze towards your hips and then your feet pointing to the ceiling as you bend your knees, squeezing your glutes as well as your upper back. As you reach forward again, lowering your chest down, your feet and your hands forward. We have 5 more. Pull back as you exhale. Bend your elbows and your knees. Exhale, reach forward. Pull back as you breathe out, squeezing your core in, and then reach forward. Pull back, bend your knees. Exhale. Inhale, reach. 2 more. Pull back. Exhale, reach. Inhale. Reach forward. Exhale, pull back. Bend your knees, bend your elbows simultaneously. Reach down, forward, and lower your feet down as you inhale. Exhale, pull back. Last one, my friends. Reach forward. Exhale, pull back. Now gently place your elbows forward again in your hands, and we'll do another swimming exercise by doing like a freestyle movement. Freestyle swimming movement. We're gonna slowly lift your hand up, elbow up, opposite side of your feet, lifting your left foot and knee off the mat as you inhale, and then exhale down, and then switch it up to the other side. I'm lifting my left hand and elbow off the mat, engaging my shoulders, at the same time lifting my foot and my knee off the mat. Exhale down. Alternating left and right, opposite side. Up and down. Engaging your upper back as you lift. I'm lifting my chest off the mat. As I go down, I'm lowering my chest as well. So lift and then down. So it's like swimming. Lift your hands and your foot. Opposite side simultaneously. I'm lifting my shoulders and my chest off the mat and lowering it down as I lower my head down. 5 more. As you breathe in and breathe out, keeping your pelvis on the mat. 2 more. Last one. Exhale down and rest. Place your hands again in front of you on your chest area to help you lift up your body, and let's go back to child pose to release any tension off your back. Knees apart, feet together. Slowly lower your hips down as you slowly extend your arms forward, lower your chest, and we hold this in 3 deep breaths. Last one. As you exhale, go back to all fours position. And we're gonna engage your upper back and low back area by doing a gentle bird dog. So with bird dog, you're gonna extend your knee and your hip up, foot pointing away as you slowly lift the opposite arm with my thumb up, reaching forward. So engaging my shoulders, my core, and my glutes, keeping that stability. Try not to shift your body weight in one side, keeping it center. As you inhale, exhale, lift up as much as you can. So I'm a little bit challenging today by lifting your foot further up, higher than your hip, and then my hand higher than my shoulder. As I exhale, placing it back down to the mat. Now switch it up to the other side. My thumb up, toes pointing away, lifting my knee and my elbows off, leveled with my shoulder. Then gently further lift your hand and your foot up as you exhale. Then gently lower it down to the mat. Again, we're gonna switch it up, alternating left and right. Challenge your core. And if it's too difficult to lift your hand further up, it's okay. Just reach, even if it's the same level. It takes time to build the strength to challenge higher. A few inches further up from your shoulder and your hip. Switch it up to the other side. Lift. Toes pointing away, fingers pointing away, thumbs up, and lift. Exhale down. Switch it up to the other side. Lift. Exhale down. Two more. Lift. Exhale down. Last one, my friends. Inhale. Lift. And exhale down. Back to your hands and knees. Feet apart, feet together as you do a gentle child pose to rest your back again. Extending your arm, lowering your chest down. Two more deep breaths. Last one. Back to your hands and knees. We are going to progress the bird dog by placing one hand behind your head, elbows pointing out, keeping that core engaged as you lift the opposite leg. So my left elbow and hand is bent, and my hand is behind my head, my elbow is bent, keeping that stability as I slowly open my elbow up and lift my knee off further higher. As I exhale down, and then place it down to the mat to switch it up. With my right hand, top of my head, elbows pressed out, bent, lift my left foot and my knee straight, small range up higher, and elbow opening up to open your chest. Inhale and exhale down. Switch it up. Extend your knee and your foot pointing away. Place your hand behind your head. Lift your elbow further, opening your chest as you lift your foot up higher. It's a little bit more challenging. If it's difficult to do the small range of lifting, that's fine. Just keep your hand behind your head. It's already challenging. Further challenge and open by lifting your elbow and your foot up. Last one. Place your hand behind your head. Knee straight. Lift your elbow further as you further lift your foot up. Exhale. Last set. On your right hand. Press up. Exhale down. Well done. We are cooling down now by doing a gentle thread the needle. Lift your hand, look up as you open your chest out on one side. Inhale. And exhale, thread your left hand out. Lower your chest and shoulder down. Ear and head of your left side lying on the mat as you extend your right hand up and elbow straight to release any tension off your back. And you can do a child pose position by lowering your hips down to lengthen your spine. So this is a thread the needle with a child pose. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, place your hand in front of your face on your side to help you get up. So we can switch it up with my right hand this time, opening to the ceiling, thread it in. Slowly lower your shoulder, your ear, and your head to the mat. And then gently extend your left elbow and sit down on your heels to open your spine. As you take a deep breath in and out. Last deep breath in. As you exhale, place your hand in front of you to pull yourself up, hands level to your shoulders, and gently do a side trunk twist. So I'm looking over my left elbow. Further, my eye gaze on my left knee and my left foot as I twist and open my right side. As I inhale and then exhale, back center. Inhale, twist to the other side. I'm looking over beyond my right elbow. I'm looking over my right ankle to stretch my left side. Inhale and then exhale, back center. Twist to the other side again. Release any tension on your shoulders, neck, and low back. Feels so good on your hips and your trunk as you switch it up to the other side. Last one, my friends. Inhale. Exhale. Last one on your right. And then slowly perform a puppy pose. You're not gonna sit down on your heels, but just lowering your chest down, extending your arms forward, hands down to the mat as I lower my chest. And release any tension and stiffness away, keeping your hips off the mat and pointing to the ceiling. And we hold this in 3 deep breaths. Slowly get up, and that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed day 26 of my 30-day Pilates and yoga wellness journey Flourish. If you love this video and want to follow along and finish this 30-day challenge strong and well, and learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything, leave a comment down below for any questions, suggestions, or concerns, or direct message me on my social media and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy. We'll see you tomorrow, day 27. Bye!